In this video, I'm going to show you how to save an email as a template in AWeber. To start, log into your AWeber account and head over to your dashboard. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a menu. From this menu, find the option labeled Messages and click on it. You'll then see several options appear. Look for the email message that you'd like to turn into a template. This can even be a draft. And once you locate it, click on the three dots next to it and select Edit Message. Once inside the editor, your email content will be displayed. If you wish to make any changes, you can do so here. Next, look for the Settings option, which is usually on the right side of your screen. If it isn't immediately visible, click on the gear icon at the upper right-hand side, and the Settings panel will appear. From there, click on Save as Template. A box will pop up asking you to enter a name for your template. Type in your preferred name and then click on Save Template. You'll receive confirmation that your template has been saved. Now, to use this template in the future, go back to the previous page. Click on Create Message at upper right-hand side of your screen and select Drag and Drop Editor. On the right side under Settings, click on the Templates option. Then, switch over to the My Templates section, where you'll see the template you just saved. If you click on it, your email design will load. Simply click Apply and you're ready to use it. Remember, saving an email as a template in AWeber does not duplicate your original subject line, sending schedule or list targeting. It only preserves the design and layout of your message. That's how easily you can save an email as a template in AWeber.